You ain't never been in love. I can tell just by the way you talking way too much. I can tell that you ain't never had enough. I hope that you never fall. Why don't you just wait and see that you can have it all? I feel like I'm wide awake, I'll let you play your part.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been okay and staying safe. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be showing you what is inside my Avon starter kit. So I'm going to assume that you know what Avon is because you clicked on this video. But just in case you didn't, just in case you don't know what it is, Avon is a massive company that has been around for so many years. So they sell beauty products, skincare products, hair products, they do fashion, they do clothes, bags, I'm sure they do shoes, I'm not too sure. They do home stuff, they do kitchen stuff, they do men's stuff, aftershaves, perfumes, the whole shebang, okay? What was I going to say? The website is really affordable, which is always a good thing. But I feel like some people might think, oh, it's like, why is it so cheap? The quality must not that be good. Why can I not talk? Must not be that good. But the truth is, these products are amazing quality. I'm not just saying that. I mean it. Like, the quality all the way up there, even higher. So in case you didn't know, I am an Avon sales leader, so in case you did want to buy anything, then I will put my link to the website down below. And if you do want to make like extra money just for holidays or for buying a car, then I can also give you the link to sign up as well. So yeah. Before I show you the starter kit, I just want to say a big thank you for 1K. I cannot believe it. I'm actually in so much shock. Honestly, I just cannot believe it. I'm so grateful to all of you that have subscribed. Thank you very much. So let me show you the packaging that you will receive at the door once you have ordered your starter kit. Not that you need to see it, but I'm just a bit extra like that, so yeah. Right, this is the box that it comes in. Sorry, it's a bit dusty, it's been under my bed. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, like that. Can you see that? Cool. I'll put you back up there. Oh god. Okay, so this is the starter kit. Very simple packaging, and it says beauty, it's in our makeup. Guys, I have ordered a few stuff off their website, which I cannot wait for the products to come. So I ordered a foundation, I ordered a concealer, I ordered, what else did I order? I ordered a few more like makeup products, which I'm going to be doing a haul on. Not a haul, sorry, a get ready with me using Avon products. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Anyway, let me just stop rambling because this is about the starter kit. Okay. So yeah, you just open the starter kit just like that. And this is what it looks like inside. So there are so many samples. In this dark blue packaging, there are 5 anti-wrinkle serums, which look like that, and the brand is called Thankyou Clinical. So yeah, anti-wrinkle smoothing serum. I haven't tried this one yet, but yeah, as you can tell, obviously, it's for wrinkles. It just helps just give up. It helps prevent wrinkles, which is very good. Let me just put that there. And in this white packaging, there are, well, I used one already, but there was 5 advanced hydration overnight masks. So you put this on before you go to sleep, and you wake up feeling fresh, hydrated. Honestly, it made my skin really smooth. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this is the same brand, a new clinical. So all of these samples I'm showing you, you can give them to your customers, and like if they're thinking of, for example, buying an overnight mask, like the normal one, then you'll say, okay, so here's a sample that you can try, and if you do like it, then you can order the mask, but obviously the normal size one. There are so many more samples. So these are perfume samples for, what perfume is this? One minute, guys, sorry. Right, so these samples are the Little Black Dress perfume, which I've heard is amazing. And I think that is one of the top sellers. Don't take my word for it because I'm not too sure, but yes. And this sample is Avon Luck Limitless EDP for her, which is another perfume that Avon sells. And this one is Black Suede EDT. And I've already used one of these samples, which smells very good, by the way. Big thumbs up from me. Anyways, so there are, oh, yes, yeah, I've used a little bit of it. So there are 5 mini lipsticks, which I think are so adorable. Never doing that again. That face should be illegal, honestly. I don't know why I just pulled that. I'm really sorry. I'm just really sorry, okay? Please forgive me. So there are loads of little colours that you can experiment with. There's a blue, which I personally wouldn't use blue. I'm more of like a neutral gal. So I like nudes and stuff like that. But, if I was to do like, maybe like a blue makeup look, which I probably won't do because I don't experiment much, but some people do. You never know. I might change my mind one day. So yeah, just a little light blue one. And a light red one, which I'm definitely going to be using. A black one. And I think that's either purple or dark red. Right? Am I colourblind? That looks like a pink. So that looks like a pink. And that looks like a reddy dark. I don't know. I must be colourblind. Honestly, guys. By the way, I know my eyebrows are really uneven, but apart from that, look how good my makeup looks today. I never ever say that, but damn, look at that. Oh, yeah, that looks good. This perfume that I'm about, I can't talk. This perfume that I'm about to show you, honestly and truly, amazing. I've sprayed this like about 100 times already. So yes, this is the little bottle that it comes in. It is called Avon for, did I show you the box? I don't think I did. So yeah, that's the packaging that it comes in. Very cute. Very cute and simple. So yeah, Avon Far Away Infinity. I'll spray a little bit. By the way, guys, this starter kit is the £15 one. There's three other starter kits, which, yeah, this is the cheapest one, and then there's one for like £60, I think, and then above. So this is the normal one, and there's an advanced one, and yeah, so on. But I do recommend you to get the smaller one, so this one, the £15 one, only because I don't think you really need the other ones. Like, in this whole kit, there's more than enough stuff that you could use. And this is the Avon A New Clinical Eye Lift and Firm Serum. I use this every night before I go to bed. I'm not just saying that, I honestly do. Okay? Okay. So, let me open it up for you. This is what the tub looks like. A new clinical lift and firm eye lift system. And yeah, this is what the inside looks like. There's 2 eyes, and it shows you on the packaging on the tub that, let me show you. Oh, it's got an eyelash in there. Right, just ignore the eyelash, okay, if you can see it. This gel you apply at the top of your eyebrow bone. And then this cream you apply underneath your eyes. So yeah, before you go to sleep. I mean, I don't think you need to put it on before you go to sleep, but I personally do. You can put it on before makeup, you can put it on as soon as you wake up. Like, it doesn't actually say when to put it on, so yeah. Any time of the day you really want. Any time of the day you want, really. That's what I was meant to say. Okay, and this is the Avon Skin So Soft Original and Jojoba Dry Oil Spray. I have heard that this has so many benefits in it. So it's meant to be an insect, well, not meant to be, it has proven to be an insect repellent. So if you're on holiday and you spray this, spray it. Mosquitoes probably won't go anywhere near you. That's all I'm saying. It will keep you hydrated. And yeah, I will link down below what their benefits actually are, because I don't know from the top of my head, because there are so many. And this Marc Epic lipstick, I have used this in my last video. This is in the shade Rosy, and it is really good. Really good. Really good. Let me just open it to show you. Oh my days, I've just broken the packaging. Well done me. Well done me. Guys, can you see that tan line? I'm actually gassed. Oh, right. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It just says Marc all around it. And yeah. And this is what the colour looks like. So to be honest, there are quite a lot of stuff in this starter kit, and it is only £15, which is honestly unbelievable. Like, when I opened this up, I was shook. I was thinking, like, I did not think that I would be getting this much for £15. It's crazy. And so the same brand as the lipstick, Marc Gel Shine Nail Enamel. This colour, which I'm about to show you, is honestly very nice. Very nice. So yeah, that's the colour. Let me just show you an example. Let me just show you a what's the word? Let me just show you what it looks like on my finger, on my nail. Not that you need to know, but I'm a bit extra, so. That does look very good. This is just one coat. And it covers very well. Very well. I'm going to be painting my nails tonight. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Don't you think there's so much pollen this year? Like, it literally just attacks me, honestly. It's crazy. And we've also got another Marc Gel Shine top coat lasting finish. So the top coat is where you put it on over your normal, like you can put it on your normal nail varnish. Okay. And it will just keep it on for longer and it'll make it really shiny. So yeah, that's what it looks like. This, as you can tell, I've already used it, and I have used it quite a lot. I've lost, I think I threw the packaging away by accident, but it just looks like that. So this is the Mark Big and Extreme mascara. Guys, I can't stress enough how good this is. Honestly, I'm not just saying that. I'm honestly not just saying it, but it is amazing. Let me show you the wand. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And it makes your eyelashes look so full and long. For you girls that don't like wearing eyelash extensions, this one's good. Very good. So this is the Glimmer Stick Eyeliner, Avon True Colour. Sorry guys, bear with me. So yeah, it just looks like this. And it is the Glimmer Stick Eyeliner. I said that already. Blackest black. And also, this bag comes with it as well. It's just a cute little black Avon bag. It says the company for women. So yeah, you can, if you're handing out brochures, like catalogues, then yeah, that'll be a cute little bag to bring along with you. I don't know if you've heard of the saying, but if you want to sell the product, be the product. No, wait, no, I don't think that is the right saying, but I think you do get the gist. Let me know if you do, and let me know if you do know the saying. I think that is the saying, but I don't know. Guys, I'm just sitting here editing the video, and the saying I was meant to say is be the product of the product. Be the product of the product. So basically what I'm trying to say is, this is just an example. So if you spray this around while you're giving out brochures or whatever, just if you're on like a normal day out, even to work, and you spray it, put it in your bag, put the perfume in your bag, and if people say, oh, I really like the smell of that, what you've got on, then you'll take it out and you'll be like, oh yeah, it's Avon. And then they'll be like, oh wow. And then you, if you have any samples as well, which is really good, you can give them one and say, if you do like the smell, then you can order it on your website, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Sorry, I'm just rambling on. Just rambling on as usual. So yeah, these are just a few of the brochures, and there's so many more. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. I know I was rambling on. I am really sorry. Like, I can't apologise enough. But if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, and if you are thinking of becoming an Avon rep and you did want to know what was in the starter kit, I hope this video helped you, and I hope that I showed you what was in the starter kit clear enough. So yeah, good luck. What else? I think that's about it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video. Thank you. Bye.